Here's some convening of the estates trivia. Subscribe. What French assembly was convened in 1789? Is it A, Estates General, B, Parliament of Paris, C, Bourgeois Assembly, or D, Royal Council? The correct answer is A, Estates General. In what year did the Estates General first meet? Is it A, 1355, B, 1289, C, 1421, or D, 1302? The correct answer is D, 1302. What term describes the meetings of the Estates General? Is it A, convention, B, council, C, convocation, or D, assembly? The correct answer is C, convocation. Which social class formed the first estate? Is it A, clergy, B, nobility, C, merchants, or D, peasants? The correct answer is A, clergy. What was the second estate primarily composed of? Is it A, nobility, B, merchants, C, clergy, or D, bureaucrats? The correct answer is A, nobility. What political movement arose from the dissatisfaction with the estates? Is it A, conservatism, B, absolutism, C, federalism, or D, radicalism? The correct answer is D, radicalism. Which legislative body emerged from the Estates General's conflict? Is it A, Senate, B, Congress, C, House of Lords, or D, National Convention? The correct answer is D, National Convention. In what year was the last traditional meeting of the Estates General held? Is it A, 1600, B, 1545, C, 1715, or D, 1614? The correct answer is D, 1614. Which revolution followed the French Revolution and affected the estates? Is it A, Haitian Revolution, B, Industrial Revolution, C, Russian Revolution, or D, American Revolution? The correct answer is A, Haitian Revolution. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.